Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa have two pieces of very beautiful cutlet from 3.5 kg wild barramundi fish. The meat is very, very flavorful, and the skin, after you deep fry especially, it will become like keropok crispy, yeah? Very, very fragrant. This is one of my most favorite fish. Then after that, I'm going to make some ginger sauce. This is actually fried ginger with the ginger oil. Very easy to make. Take out some ginger, chop it using your chopper to blend it. After that, just put in a lot of oil and saute the ginger for, actually fry the ginger for about a couple of minutes until golden brown. Done. That's how simple it is to make this fried ginger oil. And then this is some salt. So of course you need to prep the fish first. After washing the fish, I actually use a kitchen towel to wipe dry the fish so that it doesn't splatter as much later. And then we're going to give it some fine salt. Then we shall go and prepare the hot oil. The first rule of frying fish is wait until the oil started to smoke, yeah? Smoking point. Then only you put in the fish. This is important so that it doesn't stick to your wok or pan. Right after that, second step, don't touch it. Leave it there. Allow the bottom crust to form, which will take at least about maybe about 2-3 minutes. Yeah. So we will come back after 2-3 minutes. Right, my fish cutlet today is very thick, so I waited until about 3 minutes. See, it doesn't stick. Let's push it to the side. Ooh. Look at the beautiful golden brown color, right? This is exactly the kind of effect I'm looking for. Some people say, Appa, you are using a non-stick wok, so you are cheating. Actually, no. Fish frying, even when you are using a non-stick wok, it can still stick, yeah? It can still stick, seriously. This is after another 3 minutes. See, it doesn't stick also. Just for the sake of getting the color I'm looking for, this one I'll give it a little bit more time. This one good enough. I'm going to take it out, or maybe also give it a bit of more time. Appa tend to over fry my fish. This is really personal preference. Yeah, I like the char a little bit more, but because this meat is very thick, so it can still retain the tenderness and the juice inside. Yeah, no problem. Then we will let it rest on top of a kitchen towel or oil absorbing paper. Right, so this is my serving plate, the fish. All right, then what we do here, very, very simple. I'm going to give it some fried ginger together with the fried ginger oil. This will be treated a bit like a dipping sauce for the fish. Some light soy sauce, premium light soy sauce. Done. Why I actually put it separately instead of on the fish directly? Because I try to maintain the crispiness of the fish skin, because that is the part where my daughter likes to eat. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. More simple home cooking in this channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.